Hello everyone, well my name is Ilham and I would like to discuss with you about the increasing plastic price that appear in Indonesia or in this world actually. So, have you guys ever bought some things that related like bottle water of snacks or even school supplies and notice that the price is actually slowly increasing? At first, it might not be a big deal, right? But what if I told you that these small price changes are connected with the things that happening miles away, thousands of kilometers away actually. Today I'm gonna talk about how a possible conflict between Iran and United States can affect us here in our country Indonesia, especially through the rising price of plastic and what positive and negative impact we could come from with it. So first, let's understand the connection. Plastic is actually made of petroleum or oil that countries like Iran are major oil producers. So when the conflicts or tension happen, oil supplies become unstable. As a result, global oil prices increase, and when oil prices go up, plastic production become more expensive right now. Now, you may be thinking, right? Why should I care about plastic prices? Well, plastic is everywhere. It's used in our daily life in such packaging, transportation, electronic, and even medical equipment right now. So when the plastic price rises, the cost of many our daily products also increases. Well, let's take a look of the negative impact first. The most obvious one is higher living costs. In Indonesia, many small business or we call as UMKM depends on plastic packaging. Food vendors like jual seblak and so on, local shop, Indomaret and warung Madura is dependent on that. So when the plastic becomes more expensive, they are forced to raise their prices. And who feels that impact the most? Us, of course, the consumer, the one who, the end user of the plastic. Second, this situation can hurt small businesses. Large companies may probably survive because they have more resources, but the MKM often operate on tight budget. On sudden increase in the material costs can reduce their profit or even force them to stop operating. Third, it can create economic uncertainty. When global conflict influences prices, it becomes difficult for business and consumers to plan for the future, and this is uncertainty can slow down the economic growth of our country. However, not all impacts are negative, but we could have a positive effect that we should consider right now. First, one major positive impact is that raising plastic prices can encourage people to reduce plastic use, such as when something become expensive, people naturally try to find alternatives. For example, like using banana leaves and reusable bags, bottles, and container. And this is actually good for the environment and good saving the earth at the end of the day. Another positive effect is that the growth of eco-friendly innovation could be in more uh, cheaper and sustainable materials such as like biodegradable packaging. What I mean, this can open new opportunities for green industries in Indonesia that make them to force them to invent more cheaper and uh, use cheaper and use and better sustainable materials. And this finally situation can increase people awareness about the global issues. It reminds us that what happened in one part of the world can affect people anywhere. It encourages us to think that more critically and responsible as a global world citizens. So what can we do about it? Well, at first, as my individual, I can start to reduce our plastic consumption. Like small action like bringing our own bag or avoiding single-use plastic can make a difference. Second, we can support local business by try to use sustainable materials. It could help them to survive while also encouraging positive changes for both of sides. Third, we should stay informed and aware, understanding the connection between global event and local impacts could help us to make better decisions. In conclusion, the rising price of plastic due to global conflicts like potential Iran and US war is not just an international issue for both of them. It directly and indirectly affects our daily lives in Indonesia as a human. While it brings challenges such as higher costs and economic pressure for our country, and it also creates opportunities for environmental awareness and innovation for us, the global citizen of the world. The question is, how will we respond? Will we only complain about rising prices, or we will use this moment to change our habit and build a more sustainable futures to us to live longer on this earth? Thank you.